Hi guys, welcome to All Rounder Media channel. So guys, I'm telling you first, if you guys not have subscribed yet, please go and subscribe this channel because if I'm posting any new job, you will get the notification first of all, and you can able to apply the job for that. Okay, and today we are going to see two jobs, which is coming from Mitsogo company. And the first one will be software engineer, which will be for freshers, and the second one Python full stack developer, which will be for the experienced person, 1 to 3 years experience. Okay, I'll walk you through this job documentation, and you can, if you are eligible, you guys can go and apply there. I will tell all the procedure, how to apply, and where to apply, where to click, where to submit the form, and where to fill the form. That all the things we are going to discuss in this video. So we will start for the first one, which is software engineer, and I'm telling you the location will be Chennai. If you guys eligible, and if you give the interview, if you selected, you need to go to the Chennai location if company asks. Okay, if not, then you can do the work from home, but it depends on the company only. Okay, and we will talk about the eligibility criteria. It is hiring for freshers candidate only. BE, btech, all streams will be eligible. And next one we can see, if you guys having 22, 23, 24 years pass out, then you can go and you can apply. Okay, then what will be the skills should be there? So the problem solving skill should be there, automation skill should be there. If not, that is also fine. You should have basic idea and basic knowledge of the automation, that is a unit test, functional test. That's it. And the requirements, if you see here, the understanding of OOPS concept should be there. If you are not able to understanding the OOPS concepts, and if you don't have a hands-on, then you will not be eligible for this role. Okay, and knowledge of software development life cycle, that will be good. Solid problem solving, and next one, knowledge of the Python, which will be a advanced only. If you don't have knowledge on Python, that is also fine. If you have, that will be well and good. Okay, the C, C++, and Java will be okay for the OOPS concept. Okay, and you can apply here. For apply, you need to scroll down here. You need to first click on this I accept button. I'll click. Okay, and then here you need to apply your uh, fill your form. You need to give the full name, email address, phone number, location, and the photo will be the optional. If you wanted to upload the photo, you can click on the browse file and you can upload the photo. You need to upload the CV here. It will be not be optional, it is mandatory. You can see here asterisk symbol. And the cover letter, you can type here. If you are typing, then you need to check the spelling mistakes and all those things. Okay, and once you done, you need to click on submit button, and you will get a email for the exam. You need to complete that exam, and then you will get interview mail, and you can give the interview. Okay, the same procedure as like others interview. And we'll talk about second job role, which is Python full stack developer. And if you have 1 to 3 years of experience, you can able to apply for this role. Okay, here is the apply now button, and you can click on that. Before that, you need to click on I accept button, and the location will be Kochi and the Chennai. So two location will be there for this experience role, Python full stack developer. Okay, and you can see here what will be the responsibilities and requirements will be there. So understanding and translating customer requirements to technical specialization specifications. Okay, this all you can go through with this. I will not read all those things because the video will be lengthy, and that's why I'm just going through the key requirements. You should have engineering or computer science degree and 1 to 3 years of experience in Python web developer. You should have good knowledge on Django, Flask, or similar Python web frameworks. Okay, and HTML, CSS, JavaScript. You should familiar with those languages. Experience with the Postgre database. Database you should understand, and you should have hands-on. Okay, and again they are saying here hands-on on the web servers like fast API, all those things, Pydantic. Okay, again the testing framework, if it is having, that will be good. That it's like a PyTest, knows, behave, etc. Okay, and Git knowledge will be a advance. Okay, that's it for today, and the same procedure for this form which I explained for the previous role, which is software engineer, and you can click on the submit button here. Okay, that's it for today. We'll meet in the next video. Okay, guys, please share and subscribe. Uh, if you are new, and then please subscribe here. You can share this video to your relatives or friends, whoever want the job. And okay, that's it for today. Thank you, guys. Keep support.